Right, Peter's Gold Star. It's not this one. Peter's Gold Star, it's gone back. Peter had the DBD34, which had been in a precast garage 17 years. Had suffered quite a bit. As we remember, that the chrome on the bike, the mud guards are very rusty. We had to replace those, and the petrol tank, he wanted a new one, so we got him a new tank. But we replaced like the silencer, exhaust pipe. We had all the cycle parts apart, and they were painted, and the guy done a really nice job on those, and so we had to do almost a complete rebuild. The engine had issues, like most of these Gold Stars. When we pulled it apart, we found that the crankshaft had the same problem, cracking. We'd done the check with the WD-40 and see it cracking. So Phil Pearson, he was able to make me another crankshaft. So new crankcase halves on that one were okay. All matching numbers, correct. But the mag platform was badly worn, so it's built back up, and that was machined off. Reboard, new piston, new valve guides, new pump, new valves. So the whole engine was completely built up. So the gearbox needed, I remember rightly, a replacement main shaft. It got the RRT2 gearbox, replaced all the parts in the gearbox. Bike was finished. Well, I must just say, we had the Magneto. I put a new armature in that from SRM because I didn't want to risk it, because it had a little bit of intermittent spark. And we had the dynamo armature replaced as well, and the output checked. A friend of mine does those, and so that's all good. Rewired. When the bike was finished, we had Peter come down with his wife, and he stayed in the area for a couple of days. And we covered the bike up in here, and I wanted to video Peter's expression when his wife took the cover off. So Peter, do you recognise it?
Hang on. Yeah, that's my bike. I can tell by the registration.
So it's been a long time since it's looked like that, I believe.
Oh, blimey. Unbelievable. Come to the right man, that's for sure.
So what we're going to do in a moment, we're going to get started up, then we're going to go out for a ride.
What do you reckon?
It's good, doesn't it? Stay there,
Really
looking
good.
at it.
Fantastic.
So it was off the road a long time, wasn't it?
Yeah. I bought it in '97. I had 10 years hard use, and I took it off the road in 2007.
And then it was in Clubman trim, wasn't it? With
Yes,
clip-ons,
trim, yeah.
GP carb.
Yeah, GP carb, well, still the RRT2 box. Yeah.
And what we've done now, we've put it together in more like touring trim for you.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can enjoy it a little bit higher up sitting position, so it's not quite so cramped.
Yeah, it suits me.
And we now, with that carburetor, it will be easier to live with.
Yeah.
Though the GP car's a lovely car, but I think seriously, it's now a good option to have it like this sort of trim. So yeah.
Well, I got the Gold Flash, and I enjoy riding that because the bars on the Gold Flash are virtually identical to that.
Yeah, well, they are
Yeah.
A10 bars for you
18
now.
Bars, yeah.
So, Peter,
Yeah.
what's it like?
Better to ride, I can tell you that. Yeah. Not a clutch slip, but that's, you know, that's how it is.
High first gear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you can soon let the clutch out. I tend to go about halfway and then get a bit of speed and just release it.
Yeah, I think, you know, once you haven't ridden it for years, I think you'll find that you'll get it to bite sooner.
Yeah.
I've noticed just now you're slipping it quite a long way, but you probably will find that easier as you get more used to it.
Yeah.
But how's it ride?
Yeah, very good. Very lovely, comfy. A good, I would say, a good A-road bike.
Definitely.
Yeah,
brakes are good.
Yeah,
That front brake is amazing, isn't
yeah,
it?
Yeah.